In this video, I'm going to show you the changes that we have made under Quick Action menu. We made the options more simplified. So under Quick Action menu, you can download a report, upload bulk invoice, reconcile books versus government portal data, and file GST return. So first, let's take download a report. You can select the report you want to download. Let's take consolidated report GST 1 versus 2A versus 3 example for the year financial year 2019-20, and you can follow the steps and download the report. You can also upload bulk invoice. Select the option which type of invoice you want to upload. Let's take example of sales invoice. You can click on sales invoice and follow the process, and you can upload sales invoices in XLS form. Reconcile books versus government portal data. You can select the type of reconciliation you want to do. GST 1 purchase register versus GST 2A. Let's take purchase register versus GST 2A for the financial years in 1920. Here comes landing page. You follow the step and download the reconciliation report. Now you can file GST returns. You can just select which type of return you want to file. Let's take example of GST 9C 2017-18. The rest of the process is same as before. Thank you.